Hi friends, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. I'm so happy you're here today. I cannot wait to share my latest DIY project with you. I wanted to update my garage door, guys, and there was no money in the budget to put in a new door. So I decided to put in faux windows and some hardware. And the hardware was easy, but the windows were expensive, guys. We're talking like $300 plus for windows for my garage door. So I decided to make my own out of PVC and plexiglass. And today I'm going to share with you how you can do that too for about $60. As always, guys, if you like my work, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at H2O Bungalow, and of course my blog, h2obungalow.com. If you'd like more information, more details, my supply list, anything else on this project, you're going to find lots more on the blog post at h2obungalow.com. Search Faux Garage Windows. Start by giving your garage doors a good cleaning. I used my HomeRite steam cleaner to save time and quickly remove mildew and stains from my garage doors. A mixture of OxyClean and water did a good job in getting everything bright white. Prepare to paint your doors. For a perfect edge, put a line of painter's tape down first and next apply your flooring paper. I used my HomeRite Super Finish Max to put an even layer of paint along the entire garage door. Keep the protective film on the plexiglass as you mark your pieces and prepare to cut your windows. The refillable X-Acto knife cut much better than the tool I bought from the store. You'll score until you're at least 1/2 through the plexiglass. Place the scored edge along a straight surface and give it a good push to snap the plexiglass in two. Be sure to score enough. I got impatient on a long cut and didn't score enough in the center. I got a raggy edge and fixing it was longer than doing it right the first time. Notice I used a 24-inch metal L-shaped framing square as a guide and clamps to hold the plexiglass in place and keep my fingers away from the cutting area. I used an 8-foot 1/4 inch PVC trim to make the frames. Set the miter saw to 45 degrees. A big time saver is to first make your angle cut, flip the piece over, and measure and mark from the back side. That way you won't need to reset your saw and you can cut all of your outside frame pieces at once. Next, you'll remove the protective coating from the other side of the PVC and paint that side with the black spray paint. When you're working with your windows, keep each set as a set when you make the pieces that fit with that plexiglass window. A time saver is to mark 1/2 way of the point on the outside of each frame so you can quickly line them up when you're gluing the pieces together. Next, you'll remove the plastic from the other side of the plexiglass. Use an outdoor rated glue and attach your frame to the non-painted side. Let it cure for 24 hours afterwards. I used a 1/8 glass drill bit to make pilot holes in the 4 corners of each window. Be careful and don't press hard or you'll crack your plexiglass at this step. Check before you start your project. I waited till after just to be sure that nothing interfered with where the windows would be placed on my garage door. Obviously, you want to do this first. Mark a straight line with your level across the garage door. Hold and mark the pilot holes for each window. Keep them in order with the right side up so they'll line up perfectly when you go to attach them to the garage door. I found this step was much easier if I had one screw in the window first and then lined up the other 3 and attached them from there. The last step was to give each window a good caulking all the way around.